For some Easter fun, we are about to blow up a Peep in the microwave. Okay, so I'm going to get a little Peep. Okay, they're like super stuck together. Ugh, gross. Okay, I'm putting it... Should I put a plate on there first? Hang on. Get a plate. Okay. Putting them on the plate. Little Peep.
Are they flavoured or just different colours?
I don't know.
Sugar.
Just sugar flavoured.
Yeah, sugar.
Okay, it's going in the microwave. Who's ready to see a giant Peep?
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Okay, let's see. Uh-oh. He's just melting. Oh wait, no, he's growing. He's becoming a giant Peep. Bit of a letdown, really. It's not going as big as I thought it was going to go.
It's pretty big. Can you see it?
Is that it?
Capture.
Yeah, I can just see.
Can you see it? It looks like, it doesn't look like a bird anymore. No, I think that's it. Well, that was very disappointing. Well, that is a Peep in the microwave. Okay, I think oh, gross. He looks like he's shrank. Shrunk, whatever. Well, that is a Peep. Before and after.
Can I touch it?
Gross. It smells like cooked marshmallow.